Good morning, students. In computer integrated manufacturing system, one of the most important topic is OPTIS coding system. In this video, we have to discuss about the OPTIS part coding system, part classification and coding, and part OPTIS coding scheme, and types of code, and why using a code scheme, and form code procedure, and form code details for rotational parts. Finally, we have to see one simple problem. Okay. In part classification and coding, the similarities among parts are identified, and these similarities are related in a coding system that usually includes both a part design and manufacturing attributes. The OPTIS system is one of the first published classification and coding schemes for especially mechanical parts. It was developed by H. OPTIS of the University of Aachen in Germany and represents one of the pioneering efforts in group technology. It is probably the best known of the part classification and coding systems, and it is also intended for machined parts. Okay. The OPTIS coding scheme uses the following digit sequence. The sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D. Okay. The basic codes consist of 9 digits. The basic codes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the basic codes. Consist of 9 digits, which can be extended by adding 4 more digits, that is A, B, C and D. Okay. The first 9 digits are intended to convey both design and manufacturing data. Okay. The first 5 digits, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called the form code. The next 4 digits, that is 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a supplementary code. The 4 digits, extra digits A, B, C, D are referred to as the secondary code. Okay, what is the form code? The form code describes the primary design attributes of the part, such as external shape and machined features. External shape means the rotational versus rectangular. The machined feature means the holes, threaders, gear teeth, step returning, etc. Next one is a supplementary code. The supplementary code indicates some of the attributes that would be useful in manufacturing. Example: dimensions, work material, starting shape and accuracy. The last one is the secondary code, the ABCD. The extra 4 digits ABCD are intended to identify the production operation type and sequence. Okay. Why using the coding scheme? The reason for using coding schemes include there are 3 reasons. The first one is design retrieval, second one is automated process planning, the last one is machine cell design. What is a design retrieval? A designer faced with the task of developing a new part can use a design retrieval system to determine if a similar part already exists. Simply changing an existing part would take much less time than designing a new part. Okay. The next one is automated process planning. The part code of a new part can be used to search for process plans for existing parts with identical or similar codes. Machine cell design. The part codes can use to design machine cells capable of producing all members of a particular part family using the composite part concept. Okay, this is the form code for rotational parts in the Optis coding system. See the tabulation. The tabulation is divided into 5 columns. The first column is digit 1, second column digit 2, the third column digit 3, the fourth column digit 4, and fifth column digit 5. See the first column, it represents the part class. The second column, that is digit 2, represents the external shape. The third digit is internal shape. The fourth digit, plane surface machining. The fifth digit represents the auxiliary holes and gear teeth. Okay. In the first column, in left side, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the form codes. Form codes means, see the L by D is equal to 0.5. The L by D is equal to 0.5. This L by D is equal to 0.5. The corresponding value is 0. Like this, the 0.5 less than L by D less than 3. The corresponding value form code is 1. The L by D is equal to 3. The corresponding form code value is 2. Okay. Now we have to make a form code or Optis code to a particular product using a Optis part coding system. See, this is the problem have been given. The problem is the rotational part design is shown in figure. Determine the form code in the Optis part classification and coding system. We have to write a form code for this product based on the operations are done in the product. Okay. This is the rotational part. This is the rotational part. While you seeing itself, you know about the part. It is rotational one. In the product, some operations are done. What are the operations are done in this product? See. Okay. The threading operations are done. Turning operations are done. Like this, a lot of operations are done in this product. As we are seeing the product, we should know some criteria and some factors in diagram itself. Okay. Based on the operations, we have to make a Optis code for this product. Okay. See the problem. Okay. This is the solution for this problem. Take the first part. What is given? The length to diameter ratio. Length to diameter ratio L by D is equal to 1.5. Okay. How much length given in the diagram? That is, length is 1.5 and diameter D is 1. So 1.5 by 1 is equal to, what is the answer? That is 1.5. Now we go to form code tabulation. See the first digit. L by D is equal to 0.5. The corresponding value of form code is 0. Next step, what is given? The 0.5 less than L by D less than 3. The corresponding value of form code is 1. Our value is 1.5. Where it is that value? Our value is in second stage. 0.5 less than L by D less than 3, our value is 1.5. So you take second one, the corresponding value is 1. So our first digit, the form code is 1. So digit 1 represents 1. Digit 1 represents 1. Okay. Now we go to second digit in the diagram. External shape and stepped on both ends with a screw thread at one end. Go to form code tabulation. See this column, digit 2 column. First one is form code 0. What he given? Smooth, no shape elements. Okay. Next 3 digits 1, 2, 3. What he mentioned? The stepped to one end. Next codes 4, 5, 6. That is stepped both ends. Okay. See, in our problem, the stepped on both ends with the thread cutting are given. Then what is the second digit? We go to stepped both end, check it where the thread is mentioned. Okay. See, one by one, and the first one is no shape elements, second form code is thread, third form code is functional group. These are the stepped to one end. We want stepped to both ends, and the threaded is mentioned. So we go to the fifth code, that is form code 5. Okay. See, thread and the corresponding form code is 5. So second digit represents 5. Okay. Next we go for third digit. We go for third digit. See the diagram. The internal shape. The pot contains through hole. Okay. Go to form code tabulation. See the third digit column. The form code 0 mentioned was, that is no hole. Second one is no shape elements. The corresponding value is 1. So the third digit represents 1. Okay. Like this, we have to find other 2 digits, that is digit 4 and digit 5. Next we go for fourth digit. See the diagram. The plane surface machining, none. There is no machining done in plane surface. Go to form code tabulation. See in the digit 4 column. The first code is matched with our criteria. There is no surface machining. The corresponding value is 0. So the digit 4 represents 0. Okay. Next we go for digit 5. See the product diagram. What he given? The auxiliary holes, gear teeth, none. In this product, holes not done in auxiliary. Okay. Go to form code tabulation. See the digit 5 column, that is auxiliary holes and gear teeth. Already we see in the diagram no holes in auxiliary. So the corresponding form code value is 0. Okay. The digit 5 represents 0. Okay. We have derived all the 5 codes. Okay. Based on this procedure, we have to derive the form code for this product, so that we can get a values here. Finally, we have to assemble that values to form an OPTIS form code. The form code in the OPTIS system is 15100. You already derived. What we derived? In digit 1 represents 1, digit 2 represents 5, digit 3 represents 1, digit 4 represents 0, digit 5 represents 0. Okay. The form code in OPTIS system is 15100. Thank you. Thank you for watching.